Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World, and welcome to Triple Play Saturday Round 3. And yes, people, we got a nice, awesome digital watch face for you all to check out. Now, this one here is coming from GS Watchfaces. The guy does great work on watch faces. This one here is definitely no exception. The name of the watch face is called GS Digital 13. Now, in AOD mode, I like the look for the Gears 3. I like this dark theme, and I'm into the dark mode nowadays. This one looks really nice. For the Gears 2, it's going to be lit up in blue. Now, once the watch face is on, I thought this was very nice. Now, you got those of you all who are like 24 hours, and you got those who are like 12. At the top, you're going to get your 24-hour digital time. Down at the bottom, in big bold numbers, in retro, you are going to get 12 hours. So you get the best of both worlds, 24 hours and 12. I thought that was really nice. Now, if you come down, right at the top, you're going to get, of course, the day of the week, your date, the month, and then in the next box, you're going to get all your step status info that are important, and that's going to be your steps, calories burned, and your heart rate information. Now, up at the top right here, you're going to get your step status info. It's going to let you know how much of your goal you have completed, and you're also going to get your battery info right next to that in the green LEDs. It looks really nice. And down at the bottom, we talked about that already. Big bold digital time in 12 hours. Get a PM stamp up under that, moon phase, and animated seconds. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you do get shortcuts, right? You get settings, you got weather you can go into, you also get your alarm you can set, and you can make a phone call as well. Now, you can tap right here instead of favorite, which makes the watch face that much more convenient, and it gives you two places to do so. And if you tap on that side, you can do it as well. That was very nice. Now, it isn't active, so if I double tap right here, I could change the theme of the watch face around the border. I don't know if you can see that. I thought that was really nice. And you can change the color if you double tap on this side to whatever color you like. I thought the developer did an awesome job with this one. And if I double tap in the middle, I could change the color theme of my time and my step status info. And you got many to choose from. Just cycle through till you find the one you like. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Definitely, I want to know your thoughts on this one. And I hope you guys are having the greatest weekend ever, enjoying family and friends, doing the things that are making you happy over the weekend. All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.